Ah! Did you hear that?
No. Wow. What did stop me toes off? Your toes are all scratching. I bet they're well salty.
Oh, what the fuck?
What tits are coming out?
Why the fuck would I say? Why the fuck would you say that, Charlotte?
What?
I bet your toes are salty.
Because I like you box scratches.
You won't avoid that. Next to the Hoover, I'm gonna hoover your face.
What are you doing?
It's stuck on your boob. It's stuck on your boob.
What is that? What is that?
Just saw it, bitch.